In today's video, we'll be diving into powerhouse strategy that can take your business to viral success, talking about mastering email marketing. If you are new to this channel, my name is Amadi Godknows, your host on GK Digimas channel, where I bring you tips and tricks on email marketing success. Email marketing is a secret weapon in digital marketing world that allows you to connect directly with your audience, build strong relationship, and skyrocket your business to the next level when done properly. In email marketing, building a quality email list is the foundation of successful email marketing because it's a means of telling your engaged subscriber what you can genuinely offer. Imagine having compelling content that will attract your target audiences and entice them to join your email list effortlessly. This is a strategy of offering something valuable to your subscribers, like crafting an irresistible lead magnet that will have your subscribers eagerly handing over their email addresses to you in exchange for your ebooks, exclusive content, or free courses. For you to create such lead magnets that resonate, you need to have a deeper understanding of your target audience's desires, pain points, and aspirations by conducting market research, analyzing their feedbacks, and engaging with them to uncover their challenges. This lead magnet should offer a solution or provide valuable information that is related to your target audience's satisfactions. And this lead magnet can be a practical tips, checklist for success, templates, or exclusive video tutorial that will make them see you as solution provider to their problems. So craft an irresistible lead magnet because it's a powerful incentive for your audience to share their email addresses. Make your images, typos, and engaging graphics to be of high quality to make your lead magnet visually appealing and professional to your target audience. Invest time in creating eye-catching designs that align with your brand's visual identities. Your headline should be captivating, attention-grabbing, and clearly conveying the value of your lead magnet. For example, your headings must be kept concise, benefit-driven, and curiosity-inducing with compelling copy that explains the benefit, the value, and emphasis on why your audience can't afford to miss out your email list. By providing valuable contents, you build trust in your niche, establish yourself as an expert, and pave way for long-term engagement to your subscribers. So get creative, tap into the needs of your audience, and create a lead magnet that your audience can't resist. The more valuable your lead magnet, the more eager your audience will be to join your email list willingly. The next step is to optimize your opt-in forms, which is a form of consent given by website users acknowledging their interest in a product or services and authorizing a third party to contact them with further information to maximize conversions. When it comes to opt-in forms creation, simplicity is key. Avoid overwhelming your audience with excessive views or unnecessary informations. Okay? Stick to the essentials, which is name and address only. This is because the easier it is for your visitors to fill, the more likely they will complete the form for you. Use contrasting colors, compelling visuals, and clean typography that align with your brand to design your brand identity. Visual appealing plays a crucial role in capturing people's attention. Therefore, make sure your opt-in form stands out and entices visitors to take action. Position them where visitors can see without scrolling, because each positioning can greatly impact their effectiveness. Experiment the effectiveness with pop-up forms that are triggered by specific actions, such as when a visitor is about to exit your website or after they have engaged with your content. Create a compelling call to action button that encourages visitors to submit their information using action words that convey a sense of urgency or value, such as get an instant access or unlock exclusive content. It is important for you to text how your opt-in forms appear and function on various devices to ensure they are easy to use and visually appealing on smartphones and tablets. This is because in today's mobile-centric world, majority of the users will access the forms with their mobile phones and tablets. Remember to make it as easy as possible for visitors to join your email list, whereby increasing your chances of converting them into your loyal subscribers. Another important aspect of email marketing is personalization, which is building strong connections with your subscribers by addressing them by their names and tailoring your content to their interest for direct communication. By addressing their individual needs and interests directly, you can create a more engaging and impactful email experiences with them. Using a person's name in email instantly grab their attention and create a sense of familiarity. This is a small gesture that goes a long way in making your subscribers feel comfortable with you. Therefore, your email salutation should be personalized. Storytelling is another strong weapon in email marketing. Craft compelling narrative that resonates with your subscriber in order to build a strong relationship and connection that will go beyond facts and figures. By incorporating storytelling into your email marketing, you can engage your audience on deeper level. And for you to create impactful stories, you must first understand your audience's pain points, interests, and desires. Put yourself in their shoes and identify the challenges they are facing. This will help you craft narrative that resonate with their experiences. Start your story with a compelling introduction. Every story needs an attention-grabbing opening that strikes curiosity or invoke emotions. Create a narrative that will compel your subscribers to eagerly continue reading. People connect with stories that reflect their own experiences. When telling a story, make sure it is relatable to your audience. Use real-life examples or customer success story that they can identify. This helps you build trust and establish a personal connection. Make the story about them and not just about your brand. Although weaving your product or services in your story is powerful, but make the story about them and not about your product. This structure keeps your audience engaged and invested in your narrative. By using storytelling in your emails, you go beyond selling products or services. Rather, you engage your audience's emotion and create a connection that lingers for a long time. When your audiences are captivated with your stories, they are more likely to take action and become loyal advocates for your brands. So take the time to craft compelling stories that resonate with them in order to get their attention. Share narratives that touch their hearts, address their pain points, and inspire them to take the next step, which is offering their email addresses to you. And for you to achieve success in email marketing, you need to gather relevant information about your subscribers, and tools like surveys, preference centers, and data segmentation should be used to collate and organize these valuable data for you. Leverage on the data you have collected to segment your email list, personalize different sections of your emails, and send targeted content based on their interests and behaviors. So take time to understand your subscribers, gather relevant data, and personalize your emails with care for better conversions. This is because the more you provide solutions to their individual needs, the more your emails will resonate and drive meaningful results for you. Continuously test different personalization techniques and track the results. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, and conversion to determine resonates that are best with your audience. My email marketers, by building a quality email list, creating engaging campaigns, leveraging segmentation, and analyzing data, you can supercharge your business and unlock the mega growth for yourself. Remember, email marketing is a journey and success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent and adapt to right strategies from time to time. So I charge you to go out there and conquer the world of email marketing. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through email marketing. Stay engaged, supportive, and make a positive impact in the world of email marketing. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. GKDG Mass Channel loves you all. Thank you for watching.